You already know what you want to model. Don't waste time clicking buttons and entering text by hand. With AI power tools for Sparx EA, you can go from spreadsheet to architecture model in minutes. There are 4 AI-augmented architecture use cases: modeling, analysis, governance, and stakeholder engagement. And this video focuses on the modeling use case. Start by connecting the AI tools you already use to your Sparx EA models with AI power tools. You begin with your data. Attach it to your conversation in Claude or VS Code. Next, give instructions on what you want done and where you want to be consulted. Validate that your source data was understood correctly by AI power tools. Now, select how model packages will be structured. Decide which modeling languages to use, and the AI will build the model in Sparx EA. Finally, validate the model in EA and make any adjustments. Either ask AI to help or make changes manually. You've now gone from an Excel spreadsheet to an architecture model with diagrams in minutes. AI power tools for Sparx EA did the mechanical work, but the architect is still in the driver's seat. Learn more about how you can start doing AI-augmented architecture by visiting sparxservices.com/AI-power-tools.